My name's Christine Westwood, and 30 odd years ago I moved from North London into the middle of nowhere, but with my husband it was the centre of our world. For the first 10 years I was here, we lived a bit like the good life. So we had some sheep, and then we had chickens and some ducks. All the grandchildren came and played here and that, and I don't want to leave here, only in my wooden box. What made me first contact Care and Repair? I think the nagging of my children. I was come up the 3 steps outside. I was sort of holding onto the window frame with my fingernails.
I'm Amy Peter. I'm the Mamwlad caseworker for Care and Repair in Mhowys. The Mamwlad project is a joint project between Care and Repair and Age Cymru Mhowys. So we can work together to look at minor adaptations, but also refer on for benefit checks and befriending services. And it's all aimed at the farming community and those in the farming community. So I think when I first met Christine, the biggest barrier was the steps to the property. We decided that we could basically put galvanised rail up there. And the main reason for that really is so that Christine could get out to the yard to be able to go out in the car if she needed to, but also so that she could remain independent and just enjoy her daily living really.
Without the help that we've had, I don't think my mum could have lived here and stayed here on her own. And it's meant the rest of the family can relax and know that she's not going to fall over and trip over, and therefore we're all a lot more free to carry on with our lives, and Mum's free to carry on with her life.
This is my life. Mark's been gone 11 years, so we had 20 years here, and all my memories of him are here. Can't imagine life anywhere else. I really can't.